How to disable Telegram stories. In this video guys, I'm going to be walking through how you can disable your Telegram stories. So go ahead and open your Telegram. When you open your Telegram, as you can see guys, I have a story posted. So the basic thing is for you to just click here, click on the three-line menu showing above there, and then you click on remove from profile. However, I'm going to be showing you a better way of doing this guys. So just go ahead and click on my story. So let's delete this guys. So when you delete this, I want to click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, go ahead and select whatever you want to be posting. So I'm posting this. So if you click there, just click on next. When you click on next, now go ahead and untick this. So select users. You can just go ahead and select a random person or just one person. So if you select one person, for example, if I select just this person, save as list, as you can see guys, only this person is going to be seeing my story. So you can do this and to disable your story on Telegram. So just go ahead and save a random contact or someone that you know is not on Telegram, or save your own personal number, and then you do this with your Telegram to disable story. So go ahead and toggle this off. When you toggle this off, go ahead and disable story on your Telegram. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button.